At Sartorius, we offer a range of solutions designed to provide full adherence to the ISO 8655 standard for pipette calibration. Whether it's a routine check or a compliance control service, our adaptable approach meets all your pipette metrology needs. The SpeedCal system calibrates up to 12 pipette channels simultaneously within minutes, while the ergonomically designed Cubis MPS achieves exceptional stabilization times during single-channel pipette calibration. Our calibration services are ISO 8655 compliant, ensuring the accuracy of your results and the reliability of your pipetting devices. The Arium Advance EDI consistently provides high-quality Type 2 deionized water conforming to ISO 3696 standard. For compliant calibration and effective pipette fleet management, the Ingenix Advanced Pipette Calibration Module is the ideal software. High-quality training from the Sartorius Pipetting Academy equips you with essential pipetting skills, including correct technique, maintenance, calibration, and ergonomic practices. And quality control certificates confirm that Sartorius pipettes and tips as a system meet the requirements of ISO 8655 Part 2. Calibrate with confidence in every drop. To stay compliant, visit our website for more information.